Namaskar, I'm Advocate Saurabh Nal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss issues of legal and financial education. So friend, today we are going to discuss about section 85 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 85 of the Indian Penal Code, if any act done by a person in intoxicated state. So in this section we will analyze that what would be the consequences of any act done in intoxicated state. So we will be analyzing section 85 in this video, but before that I want to request all of you that if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell button to get all the notification for our updates. And I also request you to please visit our YouTube channel page, because there are lots of playlists there on different issues like legal drafting, CRPC, IPC. So it will help you in your questions and queries, and there are very valuable and informative videos over there, so please check it out. Now coming back to the topic, if any act done in intoxicated state, then whether it will be an offense or not. So it is given under section 85. So before analyzing section 85, let's read what is given under section 85 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 85 of the Indian Penal Code says, act of a person incapable of judgment by reason of intoxication caused against his will. Nothing is an offense which is done by a person who at the time of doing it is by reason of intoxication incapable of knowing the nature of the act, or that he is doing what is either wrong or contrary to law, provided that the thing which intoxicated him was administered to him without his knowledge or against his will. So simply a person who has been intoxicated against his will or without his knowledge, certainly he will not make an offense if he has done something wrong or which is illegal. But in case if this is the defense, that if any person who is in intoxicated state, then everybody will start drinking and they will start doing all the wrongs and illegal thing, and they will take the defense that they are intoxicated. But that is not the point. Point is that if a person involuntarily he has not taken the if he has taken any drink or any intoxicant voluntarily, then he cannot claim any defense under this exemption. This exemption is valid only for those people who has been intoxicated against their will or intoxicated without the knowledge. So if somebody has been intoxicated without the knowledge, or somebody intoxicated against his will, then he can claim the exemption of his defense under section 85. And this section 85 is only meant for those people who have not voluntarily drink or taken any intoxicants. So this is the defense, and the defense, if this defense is given, then he will not make any offense, as it has been clearly mentioned that if somebody does anything wrong after involuntarily intoxicated or intoxicating against his will, if somebody intoxicated him against his will and then he does something wrong or unlawful, then he would not be liable for any criminal liability. So this is all about section 85 of the Indian Penal Code. I will be coming again with more videos like this. Till then, take care. Namaskar.